Hey guys, today we're in the kitchen and we're going to be putting together some stewed salmon, and we're going to need 1 onion, and we're only going to use about half of this onion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and dice up half of my onion. Since we have such a small can, we're not going to need as much of the onion. So I'm going to go ahead and get this onion diced up, and when we come back, we're going to be putting our salmon together. So I went ahead and opened up our can of salmon, and this is what it looks like on the inside. It has juice in there. Now I'm going to use this juice in my stewed salmon. Let me go ahead and turn on my heat. I have my heat set to a medium, and I'm going to go ahead and drain the juice right inside of that pan. This is how we're going to get those stewed salmon. And then we can go ahead and drop our salmon right off in there. Now I'm going to put this can to the side, and anything that I don't want in my salmon, I'm going to go ahead and pick it out and put it into that can that I'm going to throw away. And of course, the salmon comes with a bone that's on the inside of it. And let me give you a close-up. Now, for this part, you might want to use gloves, and this is absolutely for me, and my hands are clean. But if you don't want your hands to have that fishy smell, you might want to use your gloves, but it doesn't bother me. And take a look at that bone. You see that bone right there? They are very soft, and you can eat them if you like, but I don't like those in my salmon. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those bones from the salmon. And I'm just going to go through there and see if I can find any more. And there's another one. Just remove those bones. And those little small ones like that, I'm not going to even go through the trouble of trying to remove that. Now this small can had quite a few bones in it. I think our salmon is bone free now. So I'm going to go ahead and give my hands a good wash. And when we come back, we're going to put this together. Okay, I'm just going to take my salmon and I'm just going to gently kind of smash them down a little bit there. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my diced onions to that, so that they can sweat down along with the salmon as it cooks. And then also you might have to add a little bit more water to this. Now let's season it up a little bit. I'm going to start with some sazon. And it's just a piece of a packet of sazon. It's not even a half a packet. So I don't have to worry about that salt content in the sazon. And I'm not going to add any salt to my stewed salmon. I'm going to add some garlic powder. And some cracked black pepper. Okay, as much as you like. Now we're going to allow this to simmer down for a while, probably about 10 minutes. I'm also going to add a couple of pats of butter. So now we're going to turn our heat back up on medium, because I had to drop the heat down a little bit. It was cooking too fast. So let me let you take a look. And when we come back, I'm going to show you the next step. This is what we have so far. And this is the start of our stewed salmon. But I am going to add just a little bit more water to that, because I want it to cook a good 10 minutes. I'm going to pop a lid on, and we're going to let this cook for 10 minutes. Our salmon has been cooking for the past 10 minutes. And now I'm going to take one egg that I'm going to lightly beat. Then we're just going to add them right into our salmon. And this is going to act as a thickening agent, and it's going to bring everything together, absorbing some of that juice. But it's just like I like it. My onions has become translucent and they're soft. This is exactly what we're looking for. Let me give you a close-up. This is going to be so good. Take a look at that. This is our stewed salmon. And when we come back, I'm going to show you how I serve this. To serve my stewed salmon, I like to serve them alongside some hot grits. I'm going to go ahead and add some butter to my grits already. So for breakfast, I enjoy my stewed salmon with grits. But if I'm eating it for dinner, I like to serve it alongside some buttered rice. I like my grits more on the thicker side of when I eat it with my stewed salmon. Take a look at our salmon. Beautiful stewed salmon. Guys, you have to give this one a try. I promise you it is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to take some of my stewed salmon and I'm just going to ladle it right on top of my grits. My. Take some of that beautiful juice. And I am most definitely going to cook me some rice and have the rest of this for lunch or dinner. Some more of that juice. I'm going to let you guys take a look at this. Some enjoy corned beef. Some enjoy the corned beef and hash with their grits. I prefer the stewed salmon. Take a look. How amazing does that look? And it tastes just as good. To finish off my amazing breakfast, I made some cinnamon croissant rolls here. And we're just going to take one of those and add to our plate, along with our cup of coffee. And that is breakfast time for me. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video on how I showed you how to make a simple stewed salmon using the can. It is absolutely amazing. And if you give this recipe a try, please get in the comments and let me know how well you enjoyed it. And with that being said, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time right back here on Everyday Living with Simply Mercy B.